subscribing. Ono wamita Nabz Arah mukama wange.
Mukama wange.
Okuva mu Uganda YouTubers community. Sebe elimwe bakulu. Okitegedde bulungi nnyo. How are you?
I'm fine, Emma. How are you?
Obulamu bulungi.
Obulamu bulungi.
Bane abatamumanyi ono njogera ku mukyala, one of the biggest female YouTubers mu ggwanga. Okitegedde bulungi oyo yani?
Anushka. My host on the channel. My co-host on the channel.
Hey, hosting ababiri. Kanfaananye.
Kufaananidde ddala.
Kanfaananye. Kitegeza bwe tuzaala akaana akala kayinza ofaana Anushka. Wow. I'm just happy to see you. Thank you for visiting our shop.
Thank you for having me.
Brand shoppers yogi. Mbadde sinza kutapostinga wano. Kubanga mukama wange is a very nice person. Our madam, eh? Yes. So, nice. Wow. Eunice. So, how are you, PR Weduka?
Hi.
My young boss. Can you officially welcome my female YouTuber, the biggest one we have in this country?
I'm actually so excited to meet them.
Okay.
Excited to meet you.
She's a nice lady, and I'm so excited to dress up her daughter. She's really smart. Thank you.
So, can you tell us, okay, like, why did you decide to dress your kid with a branded shoppers this Christmas season as you are celebrating my birthday?
And I watched your video. Everyone starts with your birthday.
Because it's a
I watched your video where you were interviewing Eunice and saw the different things in the show.
Okay.
I also let me just put everything in a simple form. I was influenced by you. Full stop.
Oh my God.
I was influenced by you and like your videos. Everything that you said about it.
You see the energy influencing your fellow blogger to come here.
Yes.
That's really nice. So, Mrs. Eunice, can you say hi to us?
Hello, beautiful people. I'm so excited you're in Brand Shoppers Uganda. I'm so excited to dress up this little princess.
Okay.
I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Okay.
Keep coming to our shop. Keep motivating us like every day to bring in new stock by buying. We are so excited to serve you even next year 2022.
Okay.
We are so excited and we are going to bring new stock. Yeah.
Nabz Arah,
Yes.
according to what you've seen here, can you tell us the difference from here you've been shopping from?
I would say quality and variety.
Wow.
Plus, they do have some things for females.
Okay.
So if you come to shop for your kid, you can shop for yourself also. You know, us ladies, when we go out and see things that work for us, we spot them easily. So I've seen some makeup products, some ladies' dresses.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes as parents, you can buy things for your kid and forget about yourself. But when you're here, the more you see nice things for your kid, you also see some things that attract your attention for grown-ups.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
So when are you coming back again to visit us?
I have to come back now because you see now that I brought this dress. I'm taking this dress for Anushka.
Okay.
She spends most of her time with my little sister. My little sister will complain. So I have to come back. I have to come back and pick out something for her also.
Okay. Wow, that's really wonderful and nice. I will thank my boss, Madam Robin, and my young boss, Mr. Rodin, and our supervisor, the manager, Eunice, the PR. Whenever I reach out to you guys, you get this, you have supported by the you know that I'm one of those bloggers. I never sponsor a bunch.
Mazima, enough will be watching you on the platform to come back. Just look at
and it's even the destination. So neazanyo that you know wakirizo kujja nokitalirako, that's one. Nokiriza betukola nti birungi oboshitegera. So njagala bajukiza you're nominated.
Yeah, I'm under 2 categories. Lifestyle vlogger
and
travel. Lifestyle vlogger, you just vlog your life. Bozukuka no fumba ebyo byobaterayo. Then travel, showing travel around Uganda.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean,
Nemu innocent mutambudde mutyo tuukeye but ng'otambula nagezaako nenkola trip 2 ne bankamulaka kati nenga awaswa sijja kudda
nange nakolayo nga 3 this year nendekerawo. So just touch planning ira neera bw'oba touch planning idde ogenda n'okuwongoweddemu. So yeah, nengera just oba okyagala, so you keep getting pushed. Oba ina never subscribe nga bagala travel content, you have to give them travel content.
Okay. Some young beautiful ladies are out there bagamba twagala tubeko ng'ekiwala ekyo, you know, my vlog and everything ku channel yange byangamba londa mu kimu bali bali bangambye londa
ani
basinga nnyo okulaba Leopold Angel ne Masina nga kati omanyi Emma londa kwabo ofune vloga muno sabana baga
londani
jakulonda
ebyama bituwe wano
jakulonda bombi naye nga besides that one saba akalulu wano ku channel wenyini.
By the way, people,
you gonna YouTubers are what?
First of all, you'll have to first check out my channel. Kubanga nze ngache mmanyi tosa voting am to go to my Nabz Arah. N-A-B-Z Arah is A-R-A-H. Kati omala okulaba videos zange nalabye nkola nga bikusanyusiza. Please vote. The links are going to be out
very soon.
I'll share on my community tab. I'll share on my Instagram page and Facebook page. They're all in the names of Nabz Arah.
Okay.
Please vote for me.
Wow. Then a simple advice. Ababala be balabanga muri bamanyi ladies mutanso competing n'abasajja muto to compete zenaku zino. Oba amagezi ky'abaana aba bato. Abakwegomba.
Abagala okuvlogging.
Banje bayini boxing enamba yange. Emma, we want to be vloggers.
They want to be YouTubers.
Yes.
You have to start with what you have.
Ngachi.
Obo ina simu tandikana simu natandikana simu. Nakozesa simu for like 1 year. Nga kwenfumingira lwakuba nali editingira ku laptop naye lo sobola okufumingira ku simu nga editingira ne ku simu.
Queen shot.
In short yo yenyini fena yatukolera tandikana ekyolina nolaba if it can work out for you kubanga bumalolaba the work that is needed editinga si kwangu. Then no take out videos atero inozo advertising and no we no posting a link wow. Ula nga chikoledde nga it's something you can keep doing.
Okay.
Then it will be easy for you to be consistent.
Okay. Is being a vlogger working out for you?
Yeah, it is. Even if I didn't want it to work out for me, it's the only thing that I'm doing, that I'm working on currently. So yeah, it's working out for me. I've made friends.
Like me, the beast.
YouTube, yeah, I've made friends. Or making a friend that they can host you when you go to their country. Like they can host you, take care of everything.
Besides going to see what they might. Because my sponsor told me we are going to Ghana. Dr. Biva Mugambe.
Dr. Biva Temundeko.
So that is it. In Sanyu Senyo, like you're one of those ladies I admire most. Thank you. No, sisebye okwekwana bane mujja kunjogera kagambo. Mwademalinga miri mujja fije tukola because you so aggressive. Mukola ebintu bitambula. Mutaddewo embeera. Like you having that real vlogging session here YouTube. Abasinga tudilo. Nitwanso kubeera international because of you guys. So, you know, say hi to all of them. Obanda bide bonna. Okay, that is it. Let me go. To our meeting next time.
Bye guys.
Kankulekere Eunice. Yeah. Eunice, zenkuleke domchala.
Okay.
Just let them launch.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Nyembira birthday.
Happy birthday in advance. Happy birthday
to me. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to
you. Tombuze miaka. Hizo guy, how old are me? Sina miaka mingi.
Emma, how old are you now?
I'm 26.
Emma.
You know, but so that is it. Wait, buddy.